All right. Yes, we are still live on location, still in Orlando, Florida. Bringing you this sauce, bringing you these game, bringing you these gems. While I'm out of town, man, I don't want to let you guys down, man. I know you guys want to hear about all the latest positions, gig economy positions, entrepreneurship, passive income, active income, anything to help you level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that on this channel. Back with a great national chain, yes, Sherwin Williams, and how you guys can partner with them or just become a delivery driver with them. Use their own vehicles or use your own vehicle. Now, some of the positions are W-2, some of the positions are a 1099 contractor. So, that's not really being the boss, being a W-2 employee, but that is one way to gain experience in this delivery driving world, courier business. It's a great resume builder. So you can kind of start building, attach that, use that as a reference. So when you start getting these big contracts, when you start bossing up, you can say, hey, I work with Sherwin Williams, one of the largest paint providers in the country, delivering them for 6 months. I did a great job, check my track record, and then you can start landing those big time money makers. All right. So of course we're gonna get into it. Hop on into the website, show you, and also some Indeed ads that I found. Now I've done this video a while back, so I'm gonna go back to the older video I did for the owner operators, the large truck drivers and box truck owners as well. I'm gonna do some Indeed for the smaller car drivers as well. So stay tuned, hop on in, get your crappy coffee this Sunday morning. Let's learn some things about Sherwin Williams, how to be a contractor. All right, boss up, baby. Sherwin Williams has a opportunity for you truck drivers, you big riggers, strong ER, riggers. Requirements: CDLA, 25 years old, 2 years of tractor trailer experience, and hazmat, 5 years preferred. So this program is going to pay you up to $241,000 annual for owner operators. So you have to subtract fuel, subtract truck and maintenance costs from that pay. Surcharges, $2,000 a month, sign-on bonuses, and weekly settlements, direct deposit. Flexible schedules, we all know it's not really that flexible if you're doing a dedicated route, but you long haulers, you over to roaders with your CDLA. This is not good for box trucks or vans. They want CDLA drivers, so the large tractor trailers is what they are looking for. So you're a CTS owner operator. Get started, apply, and talk to the recruiter. So if you're looking for a driving position as a owner operator, Sherwin Williams will keep you rolling and keep you in the money. All right. So just want to give you guys and show you guys about all the opportunities that there's partnering with these big companies. You can be a small little dog, start your business small, but partnering with these larger brands, larger organizations, large corporations will get you dedicated routes easier, faster, and make you a lot of money and get your business booming, guys. All right. So if you are a truck driver looking for owner operator position, hit up Sherwin Williams. I'm going to leave a link to this website in the description below. Here is the Indeed ads, some Indeed ads I found for delivery drivers all over the country. Here's Nebraska, Brandon, Florida, Tampa, Florida, Fort Myers, Birmingham, Alabama. So they got all type of jobs paying different amounts. So these are the W-2 positions here. Some with the CDL may be contract position, like these driver threes, where you be, driving larger vehicles. Pays $18.50 an hour. Not a lot of money. Yes, I agree. Not a lot of money. If you got your CDL, you got your hazmat, you can make a little bit more, but still not a whole lot of money. But you see Massachusetts, New Hampshire. I've never seen New Hampshire on this channel while looking for positions. Vermont. I mean, this is a national company, guys. For you guys everywhere to find work, to be a driver. Here's $21 an hour in New Hampshire. That's decent pay. That's worth it. That'll get me out my seat. Winter Haven, Florida, local shuttle. That's where I am, down here near Winter Haven, Florida right now. So look at all these positions. This one paying $67,000 a year for a local shuttle. Has to be available on weekends. This is going to be hazmat, CDLA. This is for the CDL drivers. Around $72 an hour. You'll be driving the Volvo automatic day cab. So like I said, it's daily routes going from Orlando to Winter Haven. Short routes daily. Probably got to do, turn around 2 routes a day in an 8-hour period. So you are touching the freight. So these are some of the driving positions, driving gigs that I want you to promote. I know this is not bossing up. These are W-2 positions, but there's a greater scheme in this, a greater opportunity of what we're trying to do, what we're trying to get to. We're trying to gain experiences. If you're coming from a different field of work, you want to start doing delivery work, this is a great way to get in, get your feet wet. And then as you're going to these different places, that's how you build your business. You say, hey, I'm starting my own service. You guys may not need, daily work. You may need on-demand, one-off work. Give me a call if you need something, move from point A to point B during this time frame. And, it's not covered in the contract. Let me know when you go into these places and dropping stuff off, not for Sherman, but all these, contractors, roofers, they all need things. They all need stuff dropped off for them. So that's how you build your business. As you're, doing your deliveries with them, gaining experience, you're going to go to these places where you're dropping off at these customers, and then, just contacting them and say, hey, do you need any courier service? You need any services, anything delivered, anything stored? Let me know. I'm your guy. And that's how you boss up, man. That's how I found some of my contracts. With worker doing food delivery per se, not necessarily with paint, but I got a contract with this urban delivery company that delivers meals and meal prep. So I got a contract with them last year. They eventually ended up selling the company overall. So I lost that contract when they sold it to a larger competitor. But, it's me be delivering for them, and it's going out and, drumming up my own business. That's how it works. All right. So I am going to start releasing the guide. I got some scripts and some things I use, some templates and some things, just some, you may need. It's going to be a short guide. I'm going to set up only like $15. So if you're interested in that, leave a comment below. I'll send you the link to that guide. It's just a basic courier, medical courier, auto parts courier, guide as to how to start, what type of equipment you need, how to start getting contracts. So I appreciate you. And for staying on to the end of this video, I want to invite you to my free Facebook group where we talk about entrepreneurship and gig economy jobs, anything to help you level up. We're talking about on that channel. I got people doing video testimonies of gigs I told them about and how they're making over $50 an hour on there. So go ahead and jump into that Facebook group. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below to that. All right. Until next time, man. Boss up. It's not all about the 1099, the big time contracts, the $5,000 a week type work. Sometimes you got to level up from the bottom and start with these small positions, doing part-time work, $17, $18 an hour until you boss up and get the full-time contracts. All right. All right. Later on. Your boy Keith.